Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. MG is looking to take on Tesla more directly in Australia, and it's only fitting one of its new electric vehicles has been caught on camera by a Tesla. The Chinese brand is set to introduce a pair of new electric SUVs, the more mainstream Marvel R, which is expected to take on the Tesla Model Y directly, and the LS6, an electric SUV that's closer to the now-defunct Tesla Model X in size. They'll join the upcoming MG S5, a replacement for the small ZS EV, as well as the popular MG4 hatchback and the Halo Cyberster Roadster. This LS6 was spied in Sydney, with what appears to be a camera or sensor array on the roof. The large electric SUV has previously been spied in Australia, and is shaping as one of two vehicles from the IM Motors brand that will come to Australia. The other is expected to be the L6 sedan. These will be among a glut of new vehicles MG Australia is rolling out this year and into the first half of next year. The brand is set to reveal multiple new vehicles in Melbourne early this April, though it has yet to announce which. IM Motors is a premium electric vehicle brand that, like MG, falls under the umbrella of Chinese giant SAIC Motor. In its least powerful rear-wheel drive guise, the LS6 produces 216 kilowatts and 450 Newton meters, and completes the 0 to 100 km/h sprint in a claimed 6.4 seconds. In top-spec dual-motor all-wheel drive guise, it's said to hit 100 km/h in just 3.48 seconds thanks to outputs of 579 kilowatts and 800 Newton meters. Inside, there are 26.3-inch and 10.5-inch touchscreens, plus an available 15.5-inch passenger display. Available equipment includes air suspension, a tank turn function, 20-speaker sound system and heated, ventilated and massaging front seats, plus pet and camping modes. MG hasn't given any indication it plans to launch IM Motors as a standalone brand, which means the LS6 and L6 are expected to wear the familiar octagon badge. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.